as crypto markets recover, Pump.Fun has been in the spotlight with over 25% daily growth. Technical analysis suggests that the token may experience a significant uptrend in the near term. On the 4-hour chart, Pump has formed an inverted head and shoulders pattern, a classic pattern that usually signals the end of a downtrend and the beginning of an uptrend. The price has bounced off the right shoulder support at around $0.005223 and is now trading within the pattern's neckline between $0.0060 and $0.0062. This range has been tested several times, but there has been no decisive breakout yet. If Pump can consolidate above this resistance, it will pave the way for further growth towards the $0.0075 target. Of course, traders should also consider the possibility of a retest of the pattern's neckline after the breakout. If this resistance is not broken, Pump could remain in the range between $0.0052 and $0.0062 for some time. $0.062 should stabilize to gather energy for another climb.